Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick tutorial video on Jamboard. I'm going to show you this in class, but I wanted to make this video for you to refer back to as well. So you'll just go to you'll just type in Jamboard in Google, and it'll take you here. So create a Jamboard. You might have to log into your Google account. Just log in to your school email. Go ahead and click this plus button down here. And this is what it'll look like. Go ahead and give it a title with your name, country, okay? So I'll just title this one Caulfield Example. This is where you're going to be able to share your link and stuff. So if you want to share it with your partner, if you're working on the same one, you can go ahead and type in, like if I were to just type in Devin Shryock, that's another teacher at Banks, I could do that, and then I can make her an editor so that if she were working on this Jamboard with me, she would be able to edit it as well. I'm not going to do that, but that's how you would do that. So a couple of things I just wanted to show you around. You can change your background like this. If you want to add in that, you could do that. You could do a black background, whichever you'd like. This is the pen tool. And you double click, it'll give you different types of pens, different colors. If I wanted to do that. This is the eraser. Or I can just undo that. So that's a pen, this is an eraser. Here's just being able to click around. This is for a sticky note, okay? So, but first let me go ahead and add my title. So this is the text box. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my title. And then you can make your text box bigger. You can change the color. You can change kind of the size. But let's go ahead and name mine Caulfield Example Poster. And then I could make it longer. So that's just at the top. Put it in the center. Okay, you can also tilt. You want to make it crazy. And so then I can also add circles or shapes, okay? I can make those colored. Can also make the outline colored, okay? If that's something you want. You can also add different shapes. You could add arrows or different things like that. This is how you add the text box. This down here, it's going to be kind of hard for me to get to because my recording thing isn't going to be weird and going to stay right there. But this button down here is also allows you to kind of draw on it. Oh, here, let me move this up and then I can. So this also allows you, okay, to kind of temporarily do things. So if you're working with a group, you can be like, let's put that here, let's put that here. Okay, it's kind of like a laser pointer. So the way that I would go about, cat, get off my planner. The way that I would go about doing this is I personally would use text box. You don't have to. If you want to use sticky notes, that's fine. But you can make a text box here, okay, title it European country in power, right? Who was in charge, or what European country colonized your place? You'll just go, for example, Britain. If I can type. And then I might do another text box and be like, okay, let's talk about why did they want independence? And then I can do my bullet pointed list. Right, so I can type out my reasons, blah, 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 right? And if I want to make them a different color, I can. And then I can move this around anywhere on my poster, okay? You can also make the text, oh, whoops. You can also make the text smaller, okay, if you guys want to save space. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys was you can add an image. You can add an image using Google search. So if I wanted to find Ghana, maybe I want to include a photo of their map, right? I can change the size and I can put that anywhere on my poster, okay? So this is how you're going to make your poster, including all your information. Make sure you're referencing that rubric. And the way you'll turn it into me is you'll come down here, and if you open this up, okay, it says only people added can open with this link. So we'll change it to Bank School District, and then copy link, and this is the link you're going to turn into me on Canvas. So then you'll just go to the Canvas assignment, click paste into the text box for the assignment, and that's how you're going to turn in your poster to me, and I'll be able to see it. But that's all. If you have any questions about Jamboard, don't hesitate to reach out.